Hello students, welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 9 subject biology chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is the fundamental unit of life, cell. So inside chapter 1, the fundamental unit of life, cell, I am going to describe movement of substances through plasma membrane. So inside the topic movement of substances through plasma membrane, this will be passive transport, because movement of substances through plasma membrane or cell membrane takes place by passive transport, by active transport, by bulk transport, by three ways: passive transport, active transport, and bulk transport. So now I am going to describe about passive transport. So passive transport is the movement of substances from one part of the cell to another part of the cell without the involvement of energy. That means in passive transport, movement of substances from one part of the cell to another part of the cell without any involvement of energy. So this is called passive transport. The passive transport usually occurs down the concentration gradient. The passive transport usually occurs down by the concentration gradient. The molecules like water, gases, ions pass through plasma membrane by passive transports. The passive transport occurs by two ways. Passive transport occurs by two ways: diffusion and osmosis. So first of all, diffusion. The movement of very small molecules such as water, gases and ions occurs through plasma membrane, occurs through diffusion. Means the movement of very small molecules, such as water, gases, ions across the plasma membrane occurs through passive transport. That means diffusion. The difference in concentration between the two regions, between the two regions is called concentration gradient. Diffusion continues till the uniform concentration is achieved. Diffusion happens and diffusion continues when the uniform region is not achieved. So it occurs down the concentration gradient from higher concentration to the lower concentration. That means diffusion occurs through from higher concentration to the lower concentration. The process of movement of substances from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration so as to spread uniformly in the given space is called diffusion. Once again, try to understand the process of diffusion. The process of movement of substances, from the region of higher concentration, to the region of lower concentration when uniform concentration is not achieved. So this is diffusion. And one more thing about diffusion. I am going to tell you diffusion of gases in the cell. So what about diffusion of gases in the cell? That means diffusion of gases in the cell, such as the cell membrane allows entry and exit of gases. Cell membrane allows entry and exit of gases like carbon dioxide gas and oxygen by diffusion. Carbon dioxide is a cellular waste that accumulates in the cell in a high concentration. Carbon dioxide is a cellular waste. It accumulates during the cellular activities. Due to the metabolic activities and need to be removed out of the cell. Carbon dioxide that will be cellular waste and accumulated inside this cell due to result of metabolic activities inside the cell. That's why it is need to removed from the body. So what happened after this? Carbon dioxide is the external environment. Carbon dioxide in the external environment of this cell is a very less in the concentration as compared to inside the environment. That means carbon dioxide in external environment is more and internal environment is less. So due to difference in the concentration of carbon dioxide inside and outside the cell, the gas moves out of the cell, and the gas moves from region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration. In same way, oxygen enters the cell when the concentration of oxygen decreases inside the cell by the process of diffusion. So like this, diffusion of gases in the cell took place. After this, I am going to tell you the osmosis. So what about osmosis? Water molecules can diffuse easily through the selectively permeable membrane along with the concentration gradient. Water molecules can diffuse easily through selectively permeable membrane along with the concentration gradient. Water also follows the law of diffusion, but the process occurs faster in gaseous phase. It means water molecules can diffuse easily through the selectively permeable along the concentration gradient. So, class 9 student, today I have explained passive transport, diffusion, and one thing remaining will be osmosis. And this topic osmosis we will learn and I explain you in my next video. I think that this much enough. Thanks.